We're going to look at converting different types of measurements to help us find answers. Now, measurements are something that you use in a lot of jobs. Um, I've been using it myself this year working on a house. So it's very important to know and be able to convert measurements from one form to another. So the first question says, if the speed of sound is 344 meters per second, what is the approximate speed of sound in meters per hour? Now we're going to go from second, which is a really short unit of time, to an hour, which is a large unit of time. So this is going to make our answer grow. Now, when you convert a lot of measurements, most of the time what you're going to use is multiplication and division. In this case, we're going to a larger measurement. So if we're going to a larger measurement, we're going to need to multiply it. So 344 is the rate. And then from there, we're going to multiply each one of these by 60. So to multiply by 60, we're going to get it to minutes. So we're going to multiply by 60 one more time because we got two conversions to do. So 344 times 60 times 60. I pulled up my graphing calculator, so I'm going to input those values, 344 times 60 times 60. And we get 1,238,400. So going back to the choices, 1,238,400 turns out to be answer 4. Now for the second one, it says Andy is 6 feet tall. If 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, how tall is Andy to the nearest centimeter? Now, they would really try to trick you with this one. They tell you how tall Andy is in feet, but then they tell you in a conversion that an inch is 2.54. So we need to take this feet and turn this into inches. Now, every foot, for each foot, we have 12 inches. So to figure this out, we're going to a larger measurement. We need to take our 6 and multiply by 12. So that's going to give us 72 inches. Now, because we're going to be multiplying, trying to turn this into centimeters, which are smaller, we're going to get a larger answer. So 72 times 2.54, that's going to give us our answer in centimeters. So I'm going to go back to my calculator, type in my 72 times 2.54, and enter, and I get 182.88. And going back to my question, turns out, because they want it to the nearest centimeter, just cross it out, didn't mean to, you get 183. So I hope this helped with measurement conversions. Just be careful when you're converting, because a lot of times you're either going to use multiplication or division. You're never going to use addition or subtraction with conversions.